Okay, guys, let's look at question 3. It says mark the sums of the integers as either positive or negative. Now, you have to understand that the sum is the answer to an addition problem. So basically what they're asking you is which expression value are the answer to these expressions will be either negative or positive, okay? So let's look at the first expression, which is -8 plus -9. Being that both symbols are negative, that means that our sum would be negative. Okay? Our sum will be negative because they both have the same sign. There's no reason for it to change and so on. We're just going to add like regular, okay? So, and plus, hold on, before we go to the next expression, I want to say this. When you're adding two negative numbers, you're going further down or further on the left side of 0. You're getting further away from 0, okay? So definitely going to be negative, okay? So needless to say, next expression. Then I have 7 plus -3. Now, when I look at this, okay, I say which one or which number is the furthest away from 0, which is I'm checking for the absolute value. So in this case, 7 will be the furthest away from 0. So if 7 would be the furthest away from 0, and if both terms have different signs, or both integers have different symbols, then our answer would be positive, okay? Now, say for instance, you're taking your test, you really don't know, like, wait, I don't remember this, I don't recall absolute value. I would suggest that you guys draw a number line yourself and use your number lines to answer this, okay? You're at home, take advantage of that. All right? Moving on to the next one, I want to see which term has the greatest absolute value, which would be the -12. And absolute value is the distance a number is from 0, which the -12 is 12 units away from 0. If this was on a number line, that arrow or the arrow that represents -12 will be longer than the +5. So our answer would be negative. Okay? And for the last one, I have -12 plus 15. 15 in this case would be the number with the greatest absolute value. Now, I know sometimes my students may say the bigger number, but if you see it like that, that's fine. But since 15 has the greatest absolute value, our answer would be positive. Okay, so if you had any issues with trying to figure out or determine whether the expression or the value of the expression is going to be negative or positive, please refer to your manager's Google Meet session, and I'll see you guys in question 4.